anyways, I just got Japan Crate in today. My daughter wanted to do an unboxing, and I thought we've done some before, so we'll see. We'll see about doing it, and she's going to go all shy on me. Back. I told you, don't run away.
Especially glad.
You want this? I take it. We just got Japan Crate.
That's not in the camera.
Not used to doing this on stream. So, the other thing. Thank you, so sweets.
It seems bigger than the old one.
The other thing I can.
Ooh. This looks nice.
Oh, that's not a mistake. Cool. Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm going to see who else is live as well.
Ah.
Open.
Huh? Bring up the camera. Bring up the camera so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to show the inside of the box. That's right.
We need to tip it up without it. What was it? Ultimate box?
I don't know.
Ah!
It's a premium.
Premium.
Okay, May. So it is May. 7 different things. Well, they've got a thing to learn Japanese. Hey.
Well, tell them.
I don't like talking. What's the first thing on the list?
Mitarashi Dango caramel corn. Ooh, that sounds yummy.
Finding this stuff, because doing it by
It's a ready orange type bag. That's it.
Ooh, that
caramel
looks yummy.
corn. Ah, it's those. We've had those before, I think, in Korea, but
I don't remember ever having. Might go through everything and then. Okay.
okay. Looks like a Twinkie type thing. There's the sour long grape chew. Looks like it was that, but it's not. That one's not great.
Okay.
Oh,
That one's. Let's do that later. That's
Drink.
premium. Ah, there it is.
okay. Sour long grape gum. Sour twist on grapes. Gum packs a punch at first, but quickly turns sweet. Okay. Petite strawberry milk. Oh,
So small.
that's cute. Hard candy.
Oh. Okay.
Sauce from Kyushu Islands. Fukuoka? Fukuoka, I think is how you pronounce it. Apologies if it's wrong.
Let me read.
Ah!
Milky strawberry hard candy that's been around
Fukuoka.
since 1970. It's a strawberry flavor. It's sold from Kyushu Islands, Fukuoka, Prefecture, north of
Okinawa.
Okinawa.
Okay.
Okinawa. I think that's right. That sounds right to me.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Okinawa Islands.
What's next?
Fufu Omijuki Lucky Candy. Looks like it's a little
A little lucky cat.
Lucky cat.
That's
Ah, your fingers are all over it. Purple grape candy. Change colours and flavours to tell your fortune. If the candy turns red, you'll have an awesome strawberry flavoured lucky day. If it turns yellow, you'll have a lemon flavoured good luck. If it turns green, you'll have a green apple flavoured basic luck. But at least the flavour's super delicious, so it's a win-win. Mori's fruit. Looks like it's a slice of fruit. It's like, yeah, that one. Fruit mochi. That's mochi. Fruit mochi candies in a
Oh,
wafer.
Yeah, I was going to say it's a wafer.
Look like delicious fruit basket you might find at a fruit stand. Toothpick included is perfect for finger-free eating.
Yeah, it's good. Okay, what next? That's in the mini crate. That's
Yeah.
everything that come in the mini crate.
Banana omelette. That's the one that looks like cream cake.
Okay.
Banana omelettes are not that unusual in Japan. In Okinawa, it's famous for especially tasty bananas. Banana omelettes are generally soft, fluffy cakes with rich banana cream. We're bringing you a taste of this delicious dessert to you for a subtly sweet and fruity experience. Okay. Hora de Kita chocolate banana DIY.
Oh, that's the DIY. DIY.
She loves DIYs.
Kinda. What are you doing?
Something important.
Which is? She's doing weird stuff. Okay, next. Chocolate bananas is staple of Japanese festival food. You can probably find one at stand during the festival season. This DIY kit brings the festival to you as you make your own delicious chocolate bananas. Next thing, pecan gummy. Pecan? Would that be pecan?
Mikan.
Yeah.
It looks like it.
And gummy. No idea if this is in you because
Mikan are small citrus fruits that are common in Japan.
it's like a powder.
These delicious gummies
Gummy.
are sure to give you a burst of orangey goodness.
Okay. Next thing, you might want to bring up the camera so I can see what we're doing. I don't even know if this goes right, but just in case it did. Okay. Next thing.
Sour paper peach candy.
That's
That looks
weird.
yummy.
I've been staring at this the whole time.
The candy's not actually paper, but a long scroll-like gummy strip. Candy comes in new peach flavour with delicious balance of sweet and sour.
Is that all it says? Or you...
Yes, it is. But there's something you're hiding.
Oh, the next thing.
Gabanomi melon cream soda. It's cream soda too.
Yeah, melon cream soda. I have been wanting to try this.
Cool off with this creamy melon soda. Each sip will make you think you're drinking a bottled ice cream float. That one. Oh,
Okay, next.
hang on. I've slipped somewhere. Apple cider gummy.
Okay, the cream soda and the sour paper strip are in the premium. She messed up. What's that?
Apple cider gummy.
Oh, is that? No, it's not
With the
that.
green pack. No.
That's a pineapple candy.
Oh, the bigger one than that.
Oh, that's the next one. That'd be it. Yeah. Okay.
So I get to hold one up. Ah. And it's not focusing. It's focusing
It's
on you.
fine.
It's focusing on you.
Because I'm so sweet. No. Ain't that pretty?
Yeah, that's not working. Enjoy the taste of refreshing apple cider in gummy form. Ooh, that sounds yummy. Cute gummy looks like a cool bottle of soda with a white fizzy effect on top. Okay. Acorn apple gum. Oh,
I don't know where they went though. I gotta go.
Little hard.
gum is a classic candy you might find at a dagashi shop. When you bite into it, you'll find it's gum surprise. So it's gum inside of
Okay,
it.
excluding the melon soda and
The
paper.
paper peach candy.
Yeah, that is everything from the original. That'd be in the original. Including
Mitsu
the-
peach. Mitsu.
That's it.
Mitsu peach candy is aptly named as it has 3 different types of peach candy.
It's mirrored, so it's awkward.
There's a white peach with a juicy and lightly sweet
Yes, it's
taste.
that one.
Yellow peach
What?
with a rich, sweet, sour taste. And a nectarine with a nice balance of sweet and sour.
Oh, it's a map. With 3 different ones. I was trying to find out the different peaches.
Which is your favourite? Well, we'll have to find out. Yay, live video. Okay. Haichu! Haichu! Satoka Haichu.
Oh, it's a hate.
Haichu are yummy. Japanese classic candy Haichu is back with special edition flavour. Satoka, a seedless and very sweet citrus fruit. Particular Satoka from north of Okinawa in a region called Ahim. Ahim, something like that. Ahim.
Yeah, it looks like a him. Sorry if that's wrong.
And the pineapples for Ramun, which is the one that you were eyeing off. Okinawa is known for its tropical fruit, and pineapple is no exception. These are traditional Japanese candy that make a whistle sound when you blow through them. Yes. Typically they have a ramen taste, but these are deliciously pineapple flavoured.
Okay.
And it's got a few things about what's happening in Japan. Apparently it's
No, we're gonna re-show these.
Nahahari,
There's this, which we showed before.
sour paper peach candy. And why do I have this going? Oh, shit. Give me a sec.
She's had another
No,
string
that's fine.
Had another string going while we're doing a stream.
God was not having it.
Close the app.
Yeah. And
And
I'm
the
thinking,
camera went off focus.
whoops.
You're more in focus than me.
Right.
There we go.
There's Nahahari, which is
No,
May
you
3rd
showed
through
the
May
melon
5th.
soda.
Okay, that's Gabanomi melon cream soda.
That's everything from premium, original, and mini.
And as Yabi mentioned,
Um,
there's learning Japanese, including their lettering, International Museum
Yeah.
Day,
Okay.
Nahahari.
Naha.
Cool.
Yeah, Nahahari. The Dragon Boat race is the biggest Golden Week event in Okinawa. Is it Okinawa? It's Okinawa, right?
Okinawa.
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 I've heard it pronounced Okinawa. I don't know. Okinawa, and is held at Jinko Futo Central Tokochi Park. Sorry if any of that's wrong. The festival is held to bring good wishes for fishermen and their safe return from the sea. Each boat is 14.5 meters long, with 32 rowers. Aside from the race, there are plenty of other events to enjoy, like sumo tournament, dance contests, and festival games. That's the Nahahari, which is May 3rd to May 5th of the 2018. And mid-May is International Museum Day. Museum Day has been around since 1977 to encourage public awareness to the role of museums in society. Many museums around Tokyo have free admission. The day typically falls on or around the 18th of May, so check with individual websites for specific days. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just saying who's in here.
Okay.
Hey, Skittle!
At least the people talking.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Well, pick something.
Okay. Starting with the first thing, which is the caramel corn dango.
And you know you've got to save some of this for
Yeah, I know.
your friend at school.
I was gonna let her try some. Take this one. Can you put the live footage on so I can see what I'm doing right now? Instead of seeing what I've been doing in the past?
Better? Aren't you glad the scissors are in here?
Yes.
Their caramel corn is very
That-
Oh,
I'm dying over here. It's nothing.
The little like little like semicircles. They smell delicious. They really do smell like caramel corn.
Yummy! They do smell Cornish.
They like a corn puff. No? I bit my tongue.
It's an unboxing, Skittle.
I bit my tongue.
We just got Japan crate in.
That's yum.
They are young.
I've got to say
They're
it's
not
good though,
like super sweet.
but they're nice sweet.
Mm.
How would you just? They've got that caramel taste,
Mm.
obviously. They're like
But the-
corn puff.
Horny taste is a lot higher.
I can taste the caramel more. Oh, not gonna explain this thing.
Please tell me if sound's off. I'm used to game streaming.
So, super long gummy grape. That's the short gummy. Out of everything in here, it says super long, but it's the shortest thing.
No. Not the shortest.
What's the besides the little like thing, loose things? Why are you changing the name? I can smell that grape. That grape is like really strong. Smells like a Hubba Bubba grape.
Does it?
Hubba Bubba's yummy though.
Oh, this does smell gorgeous. And you're not saving any of that for Laura.
Well, it's not. I can't really save any of this. Break some off.
Oh, that's easily done. Okay. Oh. I hate to play with my food and show it off. It's like a tube. Thank you, Subservient. It also has the texture of
Hubba Bubba.
gum.
Oh, it's a chewing gum. What
Well-
you tried?
Yeah, I'm thinking of doing similar streams to this. I know I've got Courier Box coming. And apart from that, I was also going to be
I can't blow a bubble.
also thinking about doing offline games. So dice games, card games, that sort of thing.
Right.
Lesser known ones.
Hard to Cthulhu. That should be what we start with.
Mm.
Just go finish this gum.
Gotta
I know
finish it.
people say not to do it, but I'm still like. The school always said it gets stuck in your tummy for like 7 years. Apparently that's false. I don't know.
I don't know.
How can you believe one source if you can't believe the other?
So they're
That's
like
the
shared ones.
That's the Petra strawberry milk.
Petite.
Petite. I'm terrible at English, even though it's my main language. It's like two still in there. Yeah, we showed it.
I don't care. That's gorgeous.
Is it good? Don't know how well you can see that, but little triangles.
Where is it, Mum?
Should have messed it up.
There you go. Do it that way. You've got this current screen. So you've got chat.
I know this is Can I have the next one? It's only a one thing. It's the lucky candy.
You want to see how lucky you are?
Terrible. There's 2 left. Make sure to save one.
Giving it to Laura.
Names are not allowed on the stream.
Yes, they are.
I feel sorry for her. She's watching this now. It's like a powder in the center. I bit into it. It's like the outside's like strawberry.
Hard candy.
The hard candy is a strawberry, and in the inside it's like powder or something, which is milk. Not bad. I don't think you're supposed to chew on it though.
Most of those you're not supposed to. Wow.
I feel like I should skip ahead so we got something to wash our mouth out with and do the melon soda. We might need some small glasses for that. Dad? Oh. Okay. Doing lucky candy. The purple grape candies. It says
I've just broken through.
of the milk.
Oh,
flavor.
yeah. It's almost like an ice cream.
It looks like a gumbo.
It tastes like ice cream or milk powder type thing.
It's like a little gumbo.
Could be a one of the sucker ones.
Trying to bite into it to see if it's like fake, like if it's red and then later in it's blue or whatever. It's too hard.
Gobstoppers. That's what I'm thinking.
Looks like a gobstopper.
What? We'll have to come back to that
Right.
to see, to see what colour it is.
Yeah, it means I can't have like them later. Others. It's like a grape. Like a mild grape. It's not like a grape like the grape candy.
The other one was the mori fruit, the mochi.
I'm gonna put that back in its packing. Like,
Has it started changing colour?
no, it's still purple. Like, it's gonna take me a while to have that, so we can't really do that in the stream. Because I don't want to sit here for half an hour trying to wait for it to change colour. I feel like it's gonna turn my tongue red instead of the candy turning red.
Red, yellow, or green.
Me.
No!
Fifty.
Mine! My one! It's got it's broken!
I know! So get it here! The basket's broken because the
Little
basket
wafer broke. Basket
wafer
broke.
basket. At least they made sure everything's basically edible except for the packaging.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Pressing out too much.
Why'd you open it from the back?
That's just wafer.
They're chewy. Never had like a mochi before.
We got mochi, but you chose not to eat
What's
it.
happened? Oh.
Mhm.
It was like gray, then it went red. Things fall. People fall.
People fall?
So
That's strawberry.
so from now on, Mum, are we gonna do once a month?
That strawberry milk is gorgeous.
we could pass that far back. Why are you mentioning that now?
But I just finished it.
So you made
I just grabbed the mochi.
Okay, it looks weird if it's yummy. Mine tastes like a berry, like a raspberry.
Mine's a cherry. Oh, you're going to eat some of the wafer? Oh god. I don't like wafer!
It's a plain wafer. It's pretty dry.
Hey, Lonnie.
It's dry.
I hope that's right. Lonnie? Lonnie?
The loading.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
the-
Oh my god, that tastes so much like
bland.
the ice cream cones.
Yeah, it's...
Pass!
What, don't you like ice cream cones? Ice cream
No.
cones are nice.
I like waffle
Ah!
cones.
We're watching from Japan.
Hey!
Well, we're from Australia, so...
Yeah, we're down under. We're down under and getting all your food. All your snacks.
That sounds like you're saying you're like stealing their food. Okay, next thing.
What do we got?
Banana omelette.
Which is that big thing?
Oh, I cannot speak English.
Show them the pack as well.
Trying this. It's a blue.
Can you understand English?
What would she type if she can?
It could be translate.
Oh, she couldn't understand that. She wouldn't be able to tell you said, can you understand English?
True. No, you mean if she couldn't understand it, they couldn't understand English.
Little package thing.
They couldn't. Yeah, but yeah.
It's not the best, but
I have a suggestion for next time.
Uh-huh.
Fill that
Can always put that on now.
because what I will do
okay, fixing light.
is
No.
make it easier for people to read packaging
Mhm.
because there's less.
Maybe. Oh.
Definitely smells banana.
I was going to say, oh, that's got like banana cream on each end.
Yeah, it's like what would you call
Puffy.
what do you call this kind of bread?
Swiss roll.
Swiss roll.
Like Swiss roll, but it's got banana on each end.
Okay.
Banana omelette.
Japan
Yum.
has nice food, or at least candy and that and snacks. I don't know
This
about
is yummy. There's a few things in there I'd definitely get again.
I want to go to Japan and try Japan's street food. Or Japanese street food.
Don't you want to go to the pet cafes too?
Well, isn't our house basically a cat cafe? And we eat around the cats. Ah, perfect.
It fixes itself.
Yummy. Very yummy.
I'll agree.
We have to write down a list of what we're going to try again.
Okay.
Not right now.
Mhm.
We'll like take them home. Do it. Yeah!
Ow!
Do it. Okay. Tick. 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 Don't know yet. The Morris fruit.
I'm fussy. Because I'd only pick
Okay.
2 of those.
Well, I'm gonna find this next one.
Take 1 each for you and Laura.
Oh, I should have shown the back. The back.
Oh,
What are you showing?
orange.
What is that? Orange. Up in Horadaki. Oh no, that's the one before that, which we'll do at the very end because it's DIY. It's easier. Pecan gummy. It says. I don't know if that's right. I'm sorry if it's not.
Mm-hmm. I'll look at that later.
They're like little gummy bears, sort of. Oh, they're little tangerines. Sort
They're
of.
little,
Show that to the camera.
little
peels.
orange sections.
They're not orange. Oh, they are orange. I thought they were like the other fruit.
That
Definitely orange.
very strong orange flavor.
I swear, this is just a stream of us eating. We're not even explaining. Apple cider gummy.
Apple cider. She can't find anything in all the packaging. Mikan gum.
Yeah. No one should do that. That's one.
That was
Apple
the-
cider gummy.
bottle. Oh. Put it back.
Oh,
I want some apple cider. I like apple cider.
do you want the light green or the dark green? Or do I just tear it down the middle?
Down the middle if you can. Because it's different flavours, I believe.
This is horrible. Tear gummy.
Sticky.
Sugary.
Mmm.
Got that cider flavour, definitely.
Sort of done with the sour.
Mm.
Mmm. Thanks, Joshua. And I'll consider.
Okay. How's that one? I'm gonna let you try the next one. It's the acorn. Is that acorn?
That's the gumball, I think. Yeah, it's a gumball.
What's he telling me that first word? I'm terrible at English.
Acorn.
Acorn.
You should know about acorns. They're from oak trees.
I know if I'm terrible at English, even though it's my main language. While you're doing that, I'm gonna go get the one thing I skipped set up. Because
Mmm. I love apple. Hey, Alex! Of course, of course. I'll drop by in a sec.
okay. Do you know what I'm doing? I am doing the little toothpicks. Japan has like different toothpicks. They've got like these little things at the end.
Mhm.
This is the DIY pack, which is
Where is it?
Horadeki chocolate. I'm going
Horadeki
to try and show that pack.
Yeah, even though you've torn it.
I didn't mean to. I forgot.
There, perfect.
Your cat's missing.
That's because I wasn't on one.
Have this open.
for the bottom.
Yep. Okay. Yeah.
Now, what have you got to do?
Put chocolate in one side, sprinkles in the other, and you use the toothpick.
Where are the sprinkles? Oh.
Use
Yep.
the toothpick to dip in the banana into the chocolate and the sprinkles.
I got it. I think.
You might want to use the toothpick that came with the basket. It's like a chocolate fudge.
There you go.
It's like a chocolate yogurt. Yeah, it's like you know those Yogo chocolate yogurts?
Yep.
Tastes like that kind of. Because it's a toothpick. And a toothpick.
Let's pick here.
Okay, need that toothpick. There should be a toothpick in there. You grab that one. Okay.
It's got things on the end. It's not a straightforward toothpick.
It's
Where is
very different. Very different.
They're decorative.
Ours is just plain.
Mm-hmm.
Banana. You're not even gonna try.
Okay, fine. I'll skewer it. I've still got the apple blow.
You haven't even explained the apple, have you?
It's apple with coming! Yummy!
I've never had a chocolate banana, so the sprinkles are overpowering.
Is it?
And there's the chocolate and the banana. That's yummy. More. And I'll have some more later.
Mmm. That chocolate's nice.
Oh, you're still eating.
As long as the cats don't knock that over.
The cats are locked out.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I've got the scissors in here. So do that. You can't see what you're showing. You want? Oh, look, there we go.
There.
That is Mitsu Peach. Mitsu.
3 kinds of peaches.
I think we're just gonna try one random today.
Need the scissors for that one.
I just put the scissors up.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Discord.
Yes, I can hear Discord going off in the background too. Yep, these are another hard candy. Which one?
I'll grab the one who fell. At least it's in a packaging.
Yeah.
Oops. Showing their shorts. I got a pink.
And I've got the yellow.
So yours is a rich, sweet and sour taste. I'm gonna guess I've got the nectarine. Because there's no white pink peach. There's white peach, the yellow peach, and nectarine. So a nice balance of sweet and sour. Definitely peach. Or nectarine. I never can tell the difference.
So, the question is, do you want to grow nectarine?
Why are we talking about this in a stream?
Well, you've tasted peach. Do you want to grow nectarine?
Yep. Now we've got to finish this before we can continue on.
Hey, Q!
Just scared he was a bit awkward.
Uh-oh. She's chewing.
What are you doing?
My jaw sometimes hurts. I find it's when I'm salivating and laughing at the same time. It just starts cramping or something.
I really nice.
Right up there.
Definitely nice balance.
This one's nice too. Oh!
It's actually sealed, not just folded sealed.
I'm used to those being folded. Oh, that's bad. Gonna have to clean up here afterwards.
Yeah, this is now a mess. Oh, I'm opening from the wrong end.
Well done.
No one actually show that. Stick,
That's sealed.
stick.
That's folded.
Seka Hatu.
So she actually tries to open it from the sealed end. Your sister just tried opening from the sealed end. I know, he's gone.
He's gone. He does next stream, next unboxing.
Yes. So you'll get to see my little terror as well.
That's with Korea box.
Oh. Oh!
Mom, give it here. Mom, there was a thing there. Who's doing what now?
Hey, at least I opened from the correct end.
You didn't open it correctly.
Oh, it's a
though.
chew. Of course, it's high chew.
What did you think it was?
Sorry, I was forgetting it was high chew.
It's got a nice design on them, on that book.
Aww,
The thing is, this
cute.
isn't a fruit we have in Australia.
What's that?
Stecco. It's a seedless and very sweet citrus fruit.
Got little cute people.
You can see it.
Yeah, just.
Show me yours. Yours look different. I've got a different one. I feel like I've tasted this before, but I don't think I have.
So, the wrappers have characters on them.
I feel like that's something Japan does a lot. They love like little mascots and that. I'm sorry if I'm like stereotyping, but that's just what I find. That does just put it to the side. Just leave it in there.
Mum's.
We'll get out that when we're done.
That's definitely citrus.
Definitely.
There is no mistaking that.
Okay, Jedrick, no. No.
Off, Glotty.
Come from that. Go. Jedrick.
No. Kendrick.
Ow! Yeah,
Yes.
Haichu's soft. What is it?
Go
It's
try
a
it.
hard candy. Go. Haichu is a very soft. Oh, someone said Japan for unboxing.
Mm. We've had the Korean haichu before,
It wasn't Korean.
not
it was...
the Japan.
No, I've had Japan. I think haiku is Japan. I don't think
it?
Korean does haiku.
Really?
I know.
I thought it was Korean haichu we had.
I'm pretty sure
Found
it
it.
was
SJ.
I don't know.
Mm.
Very nice. Back on the camera. We need to see what we're doing. Next we got a pineapple candy. I don't want to show that. Pineapple food. Is that Rumble?
Ramoon, something like that.
I wonder what this one bit is. So I'm opening it from the bottom. So we don't have to go all the way through to... Oh, I'm gonna complete another idiot. If I'm not wrong. Yep, complete another idiot. There's a heal thing. And I was cutting it. I want to see what this little box is.
Oh, there's a little toy in it.
Little monkey.
There's a little monkey in it.
It sounds like there's something in there, but I know there's something. Okay, let's try the actual candy. Gonna have to let Charlie try this. Oh, I think this is the one that sounds like a whistle.
Yep.
Yep. Oh!
Awesome. Top lip, bottom lip, then blow. Try the other side.
Oh, I can finally whistle. It's like, you know those bracelets you get?
Mm.
Just candy bracelets. All those lollipops.
And they're hollow.
I thought they're just two things stuck together.
They're
I don't
hollow.
know.
They're hollow.
They're very nice.
Very powdery.
That's what the... So that's the kind of lolly I was comparing to it. Just like, hey, why did I get the monkey on my little thing? Sour paper peach candy.
No. Yeah.
What?
Not bad.
Oh, it's like a sour strip. You know those rainbow sour strips you get?
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh, I should have shown the pack. Very awkward.
That is nice. It's not sour, really.
Very peachy.
Mmm. Really strong now.
I think it's because we've had so many big things.
That's why it says balance of sweet and sour. That strength would be the sour.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna need to step away.
What? You don't want to clear the palate with the melon?
I need to get cups for the melon.
The bench.
After this, I'm most probably going to be streaming some Destiny.
Considering that's
I'm not that bad, thank you.
I need to put this. Okay, I have bench space in here. Of course. Oh, you might want to show. I can't see what I'm showing.
I had to check in with people.
Melon cream soda. What are you doing?
You want another one?
We're nearly done.
With candy corn. Sorry, caramel corn.
That really popped. Kendrick was now. Just about done.
She's pouring out some melon. Kendrick, you're grotty.
Go give your face a wash.
Go wash your face. Kendrick,
You're not going to go in the career box?
off you go. This is the tiny terror.
Go in. You might want to check our chat, because there might be people talking and you don't know.
Yep.
No one talk. Not what I expected.
Smells yummy.
And I
though.
can't get in camera because... Yes, you can.
You're funny.
They just said fun. They just said funny. They didn't say who's funny or what's funny. So why is it immediately saying Tandric's funny? But there is a high chance it is Tandric.
Yeah. That's nice.
Not what I expected.
No.
You can taste like the ice cream sort of bit.
Mm.
What's back here?
Try some if you want.
Pretty much back here.
It's-
No.
No.
It smells yummy.
You can try one.
Smells like ice cream.
One of what?
It tastes like a spider.
What's
Yes.
that?
It should taste like a spider.
It's a cream soda.
I have some there.
Off camera, yes.
Step out.
Or do you want a tiny bit from Mum's?
Thank you very much.
What's with how you're holding it? Very weird. Yeah, that is Japan great.
That is Japan crepe for the month.
Well,
That's
And now it's dripping on me. Thank you, Tandrick.
Sorry. How's it?
I'm gonna put everything back in the box.
Thank you.
Isn't there more stuff in there?
No,
Yeah. Try some caramel corn. Can't have it all.
Oh, they're falling up in the back. Mama! Your fault.
Okay. I am going to pause while I get ready for Destiny 2.
Gameplay over. Now it's time for her game.
You're a fool, Tandrick. You're a fool.